Hey guys, this is Panzo007. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Guild Wars 2 running on your Mac, and I'm using Mountain Lion, so should work for a lot of people. Version 10.8, there you go. A lot of people are having trouble with the black screen on installation. Well, there's a way to fix it, and it took me a couple of hours to actually work it out. Banging my head everywhere, but I did it. And why am I playing Guild Wars 2 on a Mac? Because I didn't know you could not play it. When I downloaded it, I was like, holy shit, time for extra work. So first thing what you'll need is Wineskin. It's an app where you can pretty much run commands or executable files on a Mac. It tells the computer what to do properly. So what you want to do is go to this link here, that one, and stick it in your internet, download it. Once it's connected, I've already downloaded it, so I won't be downloading. You can download 3-4 versions here. It works on those versions of Mac, so go for it. It's not a problem setting it up, you can do that yourself. It's just an app. So let's get started on Guild Wars setting up. First of all, run Winskin Winery. It's the same thing as Wineskin. What you need to do is install your engines. When you first get this, there'll be nothing here. So what you want to do is click the plus button and then pick the latest update. It doesn't matter, you don't want to pick the lowest one because it's too old. You want to pick the newest one. And then you go download and install, but I'm not doing it because it's waste my time and your time. So go back. Also update the wrapper version. Just click update, should bring it to the newest one. These two things might take you maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I don't know, can't remember. Okay, the next step is you want to create Guild Wars 2. It'll convert it into an app. So what you do is create a blank wrapper, say Guild what the hell? Guild Wars 2.10, because I've already done it a few times, and I'll just write 2.10, and you go OK, and it starts creating the sources and stuff. Let's give it a second. Yes, you want to allow connections to connect to internet, and here you want to click install. Okay, since the install of the first net applications is done, you get a second one. Sometimes you don't get this one, I don't know why, but it doesn't really make a big difference. The game works anyway, so you want to click install on this as well. Go ahead and let it download. Sometimes they take a long time, sometimes they take a short time. Okay, since that is done, you want to click view wrapper, or you can click OK, but remember to know where this has been stored. So, because people forget, I forget sometimes. The first time it took me ages to find it. So view wrapper, and there you go, that is your application for Guild Wars. But now we need to get the executable file running and installed into it. Don't need that. So what you want to do, there you go, that's where it is. It's in my hard drive, little mana, applications, Wineskin. It should make an app by itself. I have another application for running, and then Guild Wars 2. What you want to do here is show package contents, and this is an app within an app. What you want to do is click Wineskin. First, edit some settings, go advanced, and actually, sorry, not advanced, go screen setting options, and you want to click override, virtual desktop, and any resolution smaller than your computer, I guess, and use these settings. These have to be active, not really have to, but they're recommended, I guess. And what you want to do now is run software, but the main problem which everyone is having is here. This is the missing line, which I'll show you a bit later. Don't worry about this, the program will do that. this is where the missing line goes for the black screen to disappear. Install. And then you gotta go choose your executable file, which is your Guild Wars 2 client. Mine is right there, which is on desktop. Crap, yeah. And there we go. The game should run. Oh, what the fuck? Choose again. Desktop. Crap, there we go. Oops. Okay, it's loading, there you go. I don't know why I did that in the first round. It should go to about 10,148 and crash. Or not crash, like reload. So don't worry. And you should hear a funny sound and the game will crash now. Don't worry, because this is where it gets interesting. See my mouse, you can actually see things still active. You can see my mouse calls are changing. And you gotta go down here to the left bottom corner and click, there's a button down here. You gotta click that one. And it comes up. So the game is active, it's just the screen is black. And the game you want to install into your C drive, program files, Guild Wars 2. So this is just like your PC, you know. You want to go OK, don't touch anything here because the last time I couldn't fix it. So you go C drive, program files, Guild Wars 2. That's the new folder where everything's going to be stored. You go OK. And the screen will come up and crash again. Okay, now what you can do is pretty much close the game. Okay, and I'll show you. This is the final stages where you get your game run. And please select the executable file is normally used in Windows to start this program. You want to click yes. It should be pretty similar to this. You want to click OK. Okay. I will show you. And we'll close this. I'll get back to this in a second. Close that. Now let's run our game and see what happens. Wineskin winery. Oops. Go back. Okay. Guild Wars 2.10. It should load and go black. Even though it's still running in the background, it loads and goes. You probably heard a sound and crash right now. What we're going to do is close the game. And I'll show you my settings for what I have on mine. There we go. Show package content. This is my already saved game. Open. And advanced. This is what you need. This is a function which makes your game bloody work. It took me hours to find it, but I did. Minus use old launcher. Copy that or type it in wherever I close it. Okay, let's go back to our game. Let's go applications, Winskin, Guild Wars 2.10. Show package contents, Wineskin. We're still editing controls. Open that app. What you want to do is advance and punch that number in or whatever text in. Punch it in and it should save automatically. See the files here, or you don't have to do anything with that. Punch that in, close it. Now brace yourself. There you go. It should show everything. There is your downloading screen and a little dragon design. When it's downloaded, it should automatically go up to the login screen, but the first black screen is unavoidable. Even if you have used old launcher, the first black screen where I had to click the button over here with the black screen, that one is unavoidable, so concentrate on that point. Okay, close that, and I'll show you how mine works. Guild Wars games. I have two. I was testing something. Let's go with that one. Connecting, downloaded. And it should come back in a second. There you go. There is Guild Wars and your login name, whatever, blah blah blah. You can't play it yet, it's not active and should be available on 28th of this month. Go through all the links and the description. Also check out my website for great services and products. And any questions you guys have to ask, please do. I will get back to you guys.